Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Mwalimu Umar Saadi Bule, so that you receive videos concerning chemistry lessons. So in this video, I will discuss the Lewis structure of carbonate ion, So this one is very simple. So we follow some steps. First, you count the number of valence electron each atom has brought. So count number of valence electron each atom has brought. So here we have carbon and oxygen. So carbon has 4 valence electrons, so that is carbon brought 4 electrons. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so there are 3 atoms of oxygen, so you multiply by 3, that gives us 18 electrons. So then you add the charge, that is positive 2, so we'll have a total of 24 electrons. So those are the 2 electrons, the valence electrons the carbonate ion has. So next now, you place the atom with the least electronegativity. That is for our case is carbon. So you write carbon at the center, then bonded by oxygen. So those are 3 oxygen atoms bonded with a carbon atom. So we have here we have 2 electrons, so that those are 6 electrons. So 6. So here we again have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So those are 24 electrons. So if you look at oxygen has 8 electrons, so it is already full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the oxygen have full octet. So we only have carbon that does not have the full octet. So for the next step now, for you to get now the full octet of carbon, you find the formal charge. You find the formal charge. That is Fc. So to get now the formal charge of any atom is number of valence electrons brought by that particular atom minus the number of valence electrons surrounded the number of electrons surrounded by that atom. So to get the formal charge of oxygen, we'll have oxygen brought 6 electrons minus here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Here we have. So this one you count half. So that is 7 minus 7 electrons surrounded by oxygen atom. So here we'll have now -1. So each oxygen atom will have -1. And the carbon, the formal charge of carbon will be, carbon brought 4 electrons, valence electrons. So carbon will be 4 minus, surrounded by how many electrons? So this one you count half, each one you count half. 1, 2, 3. Since there are 6 electrons, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you subtract 3, so you have positive 1. So carbon has a formal charge of positive 1. So next step for us now to get or to have the full octet state of carbon, we will remove these two pair of electrons, and then we bond here. So if we remove 2 electrons there, the formal charge will change. So the formal charge of oxygen will be, since oxygen has 6 valence electron minus, surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so minus 6 electrons, 0. So the formal charge of oxygen will be 0. So that one you make it 0. And then carbon will have, carbon brought 4 valence electron minus, surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, which is 0. So carbon has a formal charge of 0. So, and that is the Lewis structure of carbonate ion. So this a negative and negative, so that in -1 plus -1 will be -2, and that is the charge we have there. So that charge you write here. So you write here. So that charge you write here. So that is the charge the carbonate atom has.